All right, here's a car that needs no introduction whatsoever. Anybody that knows cars should know at first glance what this is. Here we have a 1987 Buick Grand National. And best part is this car has only 34,000 actual miles. That's right. Very, very clean car. This car came to us here just a couple weeks ago, just the way you see it. And she is now ready for the new owner. Car's got the correct Grand National wheels, the chrome with the black trim. Now, of course, 87 is arguably the most popular year, and of course has the intercooler on the turbocharged 3.86 cylinder. This car was sold new at Whitaker Buick right here in Minnesota, and she still remains here today. It's been very well taken care of, not driven in the winter or anything like that. And when you see all the pictures and the video of this car, you'll see that she definitely did not spend any time in the Minnesota winters. That's for sure. We'll take a look inside here in just a minute. But again, you look down the sides of this car. Very, very nice. Now, the previous owner did state that he had the car re-cleared. He did not state it was repainted. He said it was re-cleared. Sounded like, if I'm not mistaken, back in the mid-2000s. So, probably one reason why it looks as good as it does is he kept it protected that way. As we're going through this, you can see all the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, of course, no rust, no bubbling, or anything like that. Paint is very sharp on the car. This one does have power windows, power door locks, optional power seat, tilt wheel, of course. And the rest of it is all standard Grand National. See, the dash is in good shape. Sometimes you see they like to crack up there by the vents. Not the case with this one. Very nice and tidy interior. Seats are in good shape. Very little, if any, wear on the upholstery there. And as I mentioned, showing just over 34,000 miles, and that is reflected on the Carfax as well as actual miles. There you go. Now, this car does have the original window sticker. The owner's manual is in there as well. Again, you can see all the still pictures of that on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And presumably the back seat has not been used much at all. Now, typical to a lot of the 80s GM cars, the headliner is starting to show a little bit of sag right there in the middle. But otherwise, you can see in the back it's still holding up just fine, but we want to be sure you're aware of that. Let's go around to the other side here quick, show you the passenger side. Again, the upholstery on the car is excellent. The armrests aren't cracked or peeling or anything like that. The door pulls are in good shape. They're not loose or flopping around like some of them do. Very well taken care of car, and it shows throughout. All right, so as you know, every car, of course, always has a couple of things over the years. They're not new anymore. So there's a couple of little kind of door dingy kind of things on the car. There's a couple right here. I don't know if the camera will pick them up right there. Did notice all the fillers on the car, the bumper fillers look good, with the exception of the one under the license plate here. Does have a crack in it. Other than that, the front and rear fillers seem to be in good shape. one more little door ding right here. And one little guy right up here. Again, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. And I saw one in the hood right here also. Just try to, again, they don't jump out at you, but for those of you that are looking at this, and you want to buy it and get it shipped to your house directly, I don't want you to have any surprises. All right, I'm gonna open the hood. We'll get this baby fired up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Start her up here. Okay, see that clock fires up. The digital boost gauge works. She's just idling down right now. Let's take a look under the hood. And just like the outside of the car, very clean and tidy under the hood here. Has not been all messed with. It's not been customized really. It's all what you see is what you get here. Very nice, mostly original Buick Grand National. And they are fun. I don't know if you've ever driven one or not, but if you haven't, get in and hang on. Don't be fooled by the 6-cylinder. There is gobs of power. They're very torquey and they are absolutely fun to drive. Again, look down this side, you'll be able to see that the paint and such is in good shape. Walk around the back. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember that trade-ins are always welcome. Financing is available. And because of the low miles on this car, it would also qualify for an extended warranty. Check your car after you get it.